Is autonomous trucks going to take over trucking? Let's watch this video.
Autonomous driving vehicle, test vehicle. Are they recording me right now? Kind of slow, Aurora. There's a guy in there chilling. Liars.
Look, everybody's saying this in my comments, which is hilarious. Autonomous trucks, they're going to take over. They're going to take over. I see electric trucks coming before autonomous trucks. Autonomous trucks, they still have a driver in it. They were actually required by Kenworth and manufacturers that are part of this to put a safety driver in it. So if you need a safety driver, what does that tell you about autonomous trucking? It defeats the whole purpose. It's supposed to not have the driver in it. Yes, they may be testing it in areas like this that's not very high packed all the time. But I always feel like this about autonomous trucking. They're one thermonuclear lawsuit away. If they get into an accident, lawyers are salivating on hoping their client gets hit by an autonomous truck. Why? There's so many people involved that can get sued. People are estimating that if autonomous trucks hit anybody, they're estimating it to be $1 billion lawsuit. Not a million, $1 billion. Why? There's so many people that's part of this. You have the government, you have Aurora, you have the semi-truck companies, you have the manufacturers. You have so many people involved that can get sued. So you think lawyers are targeting truckers now? You don't think they're going to be targeting these autonomous trucks? We have to understand this. If the people in the regular cars are not autonomous, then why should we have autonomous semi-trucks? You cannot predict the behavior of somebody in a passenger vehicle. So why would you want to have this technology in a semi-truck, but the people that cause the accidents are not autonomous? I think that this is ahead of its time. I think this is going to take 50, maybe to 100 years for this to actually take over the trucking industry. But I feel like once it starts to get more into play and there's one accident, it's a wrap. You know how much money that they will lose off that lawsuit? Look, I like the idea of autonomous trucks. It sounds cool. If you're a company, you don't have to deal with people. There's so many, pros, but the cons is thermonuclear verdicts. You're taking away jobs from American people who actually want to do it. It's just so much too that people always say this in my comment. Well, autonomous trucks are going to take over in 5 years. I don't see that. I really don't see that. I would love to see autonomous trucks in downtown LA at 5 p.m. I would love to see the autonomous trucks in Atlanta during rush hour. There's in New York. I think maybe, they're in the oil fields. That's cool. That's different. But not in real cities that's going to be crazy and they have crazy drivers. I don't know.